Hello everyone, my name is Trevor. This is my girlfriend Sheryn. We purchased the home from your home sold guarantee company, Realty company. We're looking for a more convenient location, and also we want a bigger house because as we get older, we want to have more private spaces. That's why we're looking for a brand new house and in this location, since it's a brand new construction. First, of course, is the condition, because it's kind of hard to find a brand new construction in the LA area. Also, the price is very competitive too, thanks to the agent. He was really helpful to us.
I mean, it's just everyone's like American dream because you want a sweet home, and I think this is the perfect home for me. It's perfect size. It's 3 bedroom and 2.5 bath. It's perfect for a small family, and the location is pretty good. It's close to the freeway, and the traffic like close by is very convenient. We found this through internet, and that's how we knew Freeman Wan, our agent. It was great, and he was really professional and patient, and she's also I think she's the top notch in the realty industry.
Yeah, also, buying a home is like a long, complicated process, so it's kind of hard to find the right agent. We like his personality the most. He's the right kind of the person to talk to work with. Just feel like it's more than customer, and it's more than client and the seller relation. Feel like we're friends. So we also learn a lot from him. Not only buying a house, also like the decoration part, also the remodeling, and some suggestions too. We think he has a lot of experience in the industry. He's been in this industry for quite a long time. And so whenever we have a new question, there's a question coming up, he's always able to answer our question.
And he and his team are very professional. Whenever you have questions, they can always give you the best suggestion. Nowadays, buying a house is not easy because sometimes the seller gets multiple offers. So Freeman and his team, I think they can always help you to get the best offer.
It's a first thing is a brand new construction, so it's like a new start for everyone. Since we're all immigrants to the United States to here, so it's like a brand new life. It's like an American dream finally comes true to us. So with the new house, we're just looking for a brighter future. Also, there's going to be a lot of planning. Since the house, we still need to finish the garden and a lot of parts of that. We're really looking forward to the new location, the new home of ours.
House is a huge investment. So for me, I think I'm pretty sure this is the right investment I made, and hoping it will get better in the future. And then maybe in 10 years, I can buy a bigger house.
Right. Overall, we're very satisfied with Freeman and his team. If any of you or any friends or our families or friends are looking to buy a new house, we definitely recommend him and his team to everyone. So don't worry about buying a house. It's not as complicated as you thought. It's a very easy process working with Freeman.